Hey, what's up everyone? Short intro today. I'm gonna be doing some prep work for the installation of the surge tank, and so I'm gonna be installing bulkhead fittings to get the fuel lines from underneath of the car to the inside of the car. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install bulkhead fittings. So this is where I'm going to mount the surge tank. I got this little shelf made. I actually made a template out of cardboard and bent it. And then I got a piece of sheet metal and took the template to a local place that had a bender, and they bent it in these two spots for me to make the shelf. This is where I'll be mounting the surge tank right here, but for right now this is where I'm going to be putting bulkhead fittings for the fuel to come in here to go to the surge tank, which will be mounted right there. So I'm gonna have to drill here to install these bulkhead fittings. So I made this little cardboard template here just to make sure that they're spaced far enough apart so when I'm installing the fittings there's enough space to tighten them with a wrench. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes so I can install these bulkhead fittings. Now I've drilled the holes and I'm going to use a step bit to make the hole bigger until this bulkhead fitting will fit through the hole. So the way that these bulkhead fittings work is that you drill the hole, you push this side through, and then the nut goes on here and tightens down to here. So basically this section here is where the metal of the body of the car is going to be. This is what it looks like on the other side. And so basically I'm going to take the nut and tighten it on here. And that's what it looks like. So there we go. They are all installed and tightened, and this is where the fuel will be coming through to go to the surge tank. Once I install that. Once I get these lines to the other side under here, once I get all these lines run back here, then we can do the surge tank install. Alright, I'm going to end the video here today. We got those bulkhead fittings installed, and next up is the surge tank install. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. If you enjoy videos like these, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!